Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel. Swapping burgers on Binance Smart Chain. Burger Swap. Everyone's talking about the massive price increase for Burger Swap and how this exchange just came out of nowhere, and how it seems like every project on Binance Smart Chain right now is just on fire. Every project on Binance Smart Chain is making money. Seems like everything that they touch is golden. And here's another it's just sort of like a pancake swap. And as you can see, it's just amazing what they're doing with Burger Swap. So let's get into the price prediction and overview. But what they're doing with Burger Swap is amazing. Burger Swap is just moving forward to the next level, and I think a lot of people are going to invest in this one because of the tokenomics and the other things that make this a positive. They got some unique features that make this a positive play. All right, so let's look at the current price. Current price of Burger Swap is $24.63. Burger Swap is up 79% on the day. Market cap is still about 297 million, which means there's still room to grow. Volume over 841 million recently. 12 million circulating, so that helps out a lot. There's a really small circulating supply with Burger Swap. And this one is just really just took off in the last 3 months. It was about 3 months ago, it was $1.32. Now we're at $24.64. That is a 24x. A lot of people are like, wow, this is amazing. What is Burger Swap? Okay, Burger Swap, if you don't know, it launched in September 2020. Burger Swap is one of the first democratized, decentralized, automated market makers on the Binance Smart Chain. It was built without the control of any central authorities through the use of smart contracts. Burger Swap is based on the DMAX decentralized Binance platform. It enables a swapping mechanism with democratic procedures that allow the community to change parameters through transparent voting. Burger token staking allows users to create proposals and influence the adjustment of transaction fees, block rewards, and other system parameters of the Burger Swap exchange via voting. Burger Swap decentralized governance system was designed to prevent control by any centralized entity. Users are rewarded with Burger tokens for creating liquidity, staking, and voting within the governance system. Burger Swap's main aim is to improve on Uniswap through altering the incentive and governance models. What makes Burger Swap unique is Burger Swap is an automated market maker as a type of decentralized exchange DEX that uses mathematical formula and game theory to price assets. Burger Swap is a decentralized AMM on the BSC network. The Burger Swap bridge has the ability to swap coins from Ethereum ETH network and ERC20 standard to the BSC BEP20 standard and vice versa at low fees. It allows Ethereum users to seamlessly migrate to the BSC network and enjoy its low transaction fees and fast block time. So that's amazing. So they have about 45k followers on Twitter. They're the first democratized DeFi platform on Binance Smart Chain. Let's get over here. This is some of the things you'll see on their website. You got trade, governance. You can approve and you can stake. So when you stake your burger, then you get a chance for your ballot. Burger Shack is where you can single asset double mining aggregator. Then they have the X pool, another staking pool where you can stake X burger, which is one of their tokens. Look, the APRs are pretty high, 700 and 600% if you're staking USDT or BNB. So yeah, so if you stake BNB, you get 600%. If you stake USDT, I'm sorry, it's 700%. Now I would say too, I don't know if they have a calculator, but I want to show you guys this, the liquidity. You can add liquidity to Burger Swap, just like they have farms. They have these farms. They have a bridge. This is where you could switch your the cross token, the Binance bridge. You could cross token pairs. Like they have lending. They have a lending pool as well. They have an IFO, initial farm offering, so they're doing that. You can launch your own IFO on Burger Swap. So yeah, Burger Swap is really impressive. I think people are. They built this thing up now where it's really impressive. I want to say as well, the total value locked in Burger Swap reached over 300 million recently. I believe that was on Twitter, right? Yeah. So if you look at this, Burger Swap. Total value locked in Burger Shack over $300 million locked in Burger Shack. So it's pretty amazing. Going to Mars, Burger Swap, 300 million locked. Seatbelts on, burger buns. We are going to Mars. Great platform. I think it's a great platform, and I think more and more people are going to be, moving over to Burger Swap. It's a great platform. Now, do I think? I'll let you know what I think about this in a second. Hold on. So where do I think Burger Swap is going for the future, right? What do I think the price prediction is? So right now it's $24.78. I think by the end of the year, Burger Swap can easily be double that. I think Burger Swap could easily be $50. Easily. I think we hit, because if you look at the market cap, Burger Swap's market cap is about 300 million market cap, right? So if we take another swap token, and that, the biggest one, of course, is Pancake Swap, and Pancake is already up to like 6.5 billion. Now, I think Burger Swap's getting there, but I think Burger Swap can do 3 times its current price and get to $1 billion. Yes, because if you look at another Binance swapped project, Sushi Swap is at 1.8 billion. But there's another swap project out here, Bakery token. Yes, Bakery that was at $1.3 billion. I think can Burger Swap do a 3 to 4x from here and get to that spot where Bakery is at? It's possible. We're in the bull run. It's very possible that Burger Swap could be worth the same as Bakery. So we're talking a 3 to 4x from here for Burger Swap. So we're talking $100 Burger Swap. Very possible. I think that's very possible. $100 Burger Swap. So definitely wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. I think $100 Burger Swap is possible, double this. So my price prediction is $100 for Burger Swap. So yeah, that's what my price prediction for Burger Swap is. I never thought I'd be saying this, but yeah, $100 Burger Swap is very possible. All right, guys, let me know what your price prediction is, and we'll go from there. Let me know what your price prediction is. But Burger Swap is a beast. It is the next beast out there, and it is coming for Bakery token. It is 300 million lock is impressive, and I think $100 price is coming for Burger Swap. It is the next big thing on Binance. So that's just my price prediction. You guys let me know your price prediction in the video below. In the comments below, let me know your price prediction. Appreciate you guys' support of the channel. You could join us at Crypto Millionaire.co for our coins that we think are going to go up tremendously. Join us there, guys, and thank you for your support of the channel. Signing off, Crypto Millionaire. God bless America. Be safe out there, guys. Thank you.